Iriong tamon na metie kedangwal me Lira District upenyo tela me medo yen metuo wichi wudi yen na popat pi konyo jo metie kede tuo wich ame wel gitia mede atek totwal Lira District kede Lira City. Ajoli News Today Ilao News Channel. Won komme iriong eta jo metie kede angwal me wich man Mental Health Uganda Lira Association amedang ubedo ngata me chungi jo metie kede angwal me wich yi Lira District Disabled Women Association Akullu Hilda Wacha otero ni angwal me tuo wich romo chang teki jo olaro kede dahatal shon eto koki duonga jo maro neno jo magi anena na adong tuo man ri komgi tedo beda me pechang.
Me donyo kano noro unyo wiyo jujunya unyo rugu peha mara kome chol unyo telo lokarata and we have got pity. Psychological disability can be managed. Adana me tikere they don't be peaceful, they don't be helpful, they don't contribute to the community around you, the family, or your economic and NTA throughout their lives.
Ilokere gore mugwa utela me Lira City kede Lira District pineno kirango amora mukonyo kede jo metie kede angwal me tuo wich pinungu kony me yotkom idahatale apopat won kom irionget me Lira District Disabled Women Association LIDDWA man Apio Beatrice otirni wel yen me tuo wich timala tek tutwala me duongo tuo magi peramo nuongo ame miero tela neni yen magi utunu idahatale apola popat na idahatala ping
kwa ya yuno kopi kom yen ye katwere kadi o kansila nenu kibame keto yen budget jo wani buon ento chan chente da tie kano twere mi yen da tie ke
Speaker me Lira District Morris Adam Mukalo otero ni Lira District binu keto atuno lim moro emie halim me mwahalima me alobu mena binu ni we kony Lira Babies Home ngera me gwoko otino ame onyualgi nyualo te bolo ko tutwale wok otino ame onyualgi wigi petia ber.
To handle these babies who are born to mental cases, mothers and parents who cannot take care of them, to the tune of about 5 million. 5 million can feed these babies who are born without, with the parents who do not know they have given even birth to these babies. I want to thank you and I propose.
Alob meya me Lira City Rebecca Alwedo Ugole ameda obedo akanchila chungi jo atike dangwal Lira City Council uchwaho taman.
And the intensity of the disability varies. Utikeri jo ame woru noro, utikeri jo ame buhubon, achala ijo woru noro. Utikeri jo ame they are not well catered for, but they come from all walks of land, sub-region and beyond. As it had been earlier mentioned, it is very important that we have a high-profile advocacy. This is not a simple one because when we begin like this, we should not relent.
Akanchila daho amechungu tij me Lira City Sara Wara Ngweri utirni time matu jai kede tichiri yeno kena reshu dang tia kelo bala wicha tek tutwale jilao ame miero puony kode jomagi dang otome yuki kony me chao me oyor yot.
Any other thing you can bring in. Then the third point that I want to put forward is how we're going to advocate for the greater population to handle the people with mental health. Normally, they are neglected, they are ignored. People think there's nothing we can do about it. But I think we can do something to reconstitute the mind. Probably, as you have seen, people are taking a lot of drugs. So sometimes when we take them to the rehab and these other things, we can bring back the brain and start working well. So others are the effect of the drugs and probably what we call mental, as in a lot of stress can also bring that.
Joherman ubino moho ni miero temi kweda memoko wel jo metie kede tuo angwal me wich i Lira City kede Lira District. Joherman dang ubino moho ni miero duogu chen yuwa meti kere chel kede kad ame jo ati kede angwal apopat maho ichingite wori wudi yen apopat weg mi utich meda hatal nen gi uyor yot tomi gi kony da kong uyor yot. Akony kor abuoko mayot ko Lira District ameti chero kemo beru tino edimon asheha wena yo kato kere tam ni miero Lira City kere Lira District ket aduno limoro imi halim gi we kony Lira Babies Home ngera.
Because some of these women are even neglected by their own family, their own relative. So when they get pregnant, as they lie, as they sleep along the veranda here, they get pregnant. During delivery, they deliver anyhow, leave the baby there, and they are not supported. But we have privilege to have our babies home. When you go to other districts, they don't have it. But Lira is privileged. Lira City and Lira District is privileged to have the babies home. We have to support these babies.
Abuoko mayot ko Lira City, Dr. Bernard Otushu, utirni dahatale me amach, ogur, kere dahatala duong me Lira, en apote amiyo kony mayot ko mbot jo metie karachel kere tuo wich, en toka oti hogero ober el center 4, dong kony mandang ubinu chwalo kunasha.
As far as we are concerned, personnel for mental health in regards to the current staffing structure in place is only to the level as a 4. It means that currently such personnel are only available or should be available in Uganda Center and Amateur Center and then Lira Regional Referral. Once we are completely done with upgrading of Bear and Nature, we should have their mental health personnel as well. So it means that currently we expect Lira Regional Referral to be providing comprehensive mental health services to the population of Lango. They actually have a mental health facility which is just opposite the District Council Hall here. And it is functional.
Won kom meri ongeta jo atie kedangwal Lira City adao beda kanchila ichop jo atie kedangwal Lira City Omara Matthew utirni dahatal meto wich ameti idahatal duong Lira ichawa ni dong tie kede jama memite iyunge gini dae kongatek.
Within that limit. 8 years ago, those people, instead of putting mattress on the bed, they put mat, which is unfair to everyone. Yet those people are our friends, our brothers, our sisters, our parents. So I worked very hard together with Media House, and we sent a very strong message. Right now I'm talking, there is a lot of improvement there.
Penya me odonga me poga me robedo kirango amoramo ngungu kere jo me yach kere mon ame wigi petia ber otonyual ketji otoweko tino kere torge yak abo meyo gi konyoro kiken. Pilau News Channel, Denis Ongora, Lira City.